It's already here, right now, as you watch this. A black hole has just materialized 1 million miles from Earth. You can't see it. You can't hear it, but in 7 seconds, you'll feel it. And in 7 minutes, you'll be dead. Not eventually, not someday, 7 minutes. That's how long you have left. The black hole isn't massive, just 3 times the mass of our sun. A stellar mass black hole, scientists would call it. But mass doesn't matter when you're talking about an object so dense that its gravity warps the fabric of spacetime itself. 1 million miles sounds far. It's not. That's only 4 times the distance to the moon. In cosmic terms, the black hole is practically touching us. The first effect hits instantly. Gravitational waves. Ripples in spacetime that race outward at the speed of light. LIGO detectors in Louisiana and Washington scream their alarms. Every gravitational wave observatory on the planet simultaneously registers the most powerful signal ever recorded. But the alarms are pointless. By the time scientists understand what they're seeing, it's already over. You feel it as a sensation, a wrongness, like the universe just skipped a beat. Some people get dizzy. Others feel a sudden pressure in their chests. A few sensitive individuals actually pass out. But most people don't notice anything, not yet. 3 seconds in, and Earth's orbit changes. Not dramatically, not yet. But the moon feels it immediately. Its orbit destabilizes. It's being pulled, not away from Earth, but into a new trajectory. One that will eventually intersect with the black hole, Lunar. Humanity's companion for 4.5 billion years, has 7 hours left. But Earth won't last that long. 5 seconds. Tides go insane. Not ocean tides, gravitational tides. The entire planet is being stretched. The side facing the black hole experiences slightly stronger gravity than the opposite side. It's called tidal force, and it's about to rip our world apart. Oceans surge, not in normal waves, in impossible walls of water hundreds of feet high that move inland at the speed of sound. Coastal cities New York, Tokyo, Mumbai, Sydney are erased in seconds. Billions die before they understand what's happening. 7 seconds earthquakes, not one, not dozens, thousands, simultaneous. The entire ring of fire erupts at once. Yellowstone explodes. The San Andreas Fault doesn't just slip, it tears California in half. Buildings collapse globally. Infrastructure fails. Every fault line on Earth activates at once. The planet's crust is cracking. 10 seconds. The atmosphere begins to escape, not evenly. The side facing the black hole experiences slightly less atmospheric pressure. Air rushes toward the black hole at hurricane speeds. Breathing becomes difficult, then impossible, then irrelevant, because what happens next makes suffocation seem merciful. 15 seconds. The black hole's gravity is now affecting Earth's core. The liquid outer core, 1,800 miles of molten iron and nickel, is being pulled asymmetrically. The magnetic field fluctuates wildly. Compasses spin uselessly. GPS satellites lose lock. But navigation is the least of our concerns. 20 seconds. Day turns to night, not gradually. Instantly. The sun disappears, not because it's gone, but because light is being bent around the black hole. Gravitational lensing on a catastrophic scale. From certain angles, you might see multiple images of the sun, distorted and stretched into rings, Einstein rings. They're called beautiful, terrifying, brief. 30 seconds. The moon crosses the Roche limit, the distance at which tidal forces overcome an object's self-gravity, and it comes apart, not explodes, disintegrates, tears itself into fragments that spread into a ring, a debris field where Luna used to be. Some pieces fall toward Earth, others toward the black hole, most just scatter into space. The moon's death creates a second disaster. The fragments that fall earthward arrive as meteors, thousands of them, moon-sized, asteroids hitting at orbital velocity. Each impact is an extinction event. The dinosaur-killing asteroid that was 6 miles wide. Some of these are 60 miles wide. They don't just hit Earth, they punch through it. 1 minute. Earth's rotation is slowing. The black hole's gravity is creating a tidal break more powerful than anything the moon ever did. Days are shortening. Hours compress into minutes. The differential rotation between Earth's solid crust and liquid core creates friction, heat. The planet's interior temperature spikes. Volcanoes that were dormant for millennia erupt. New ones form. The ground itself begins to glow. Red, 90 seconds. The atmosphere is half gone. What remains is a thin shell on the side away from the black hole. But it's superheated from friction and compression. The air temperature hits 1,000 degrees.